Award-winning Ghanaian celebrity blogger Eugene Osafo Nkonsa Adodona Eninese Nkonkonsa Ebusiafo ene de wodi apology letter ten ababetu edra ede ama wono ankasa na ire anase ne hokani Victoria Lebene Osafo Nkonsa enna efa eye ensem atese abobo aba na wotwetwe mu ne na wotwi emu se de mo amonim se ye wo mayi mu na yenuaba eye na Abena Korkor ede ensem bi to abonten ede efa Nkonkonsa enwo se wo kache ni se na yiri krampo no enyade se wo do no mpeno ne won kroneba atese namso ema Nkonkonsa susu peace fm ne yonko ni host ekokwatena wono na wo kind chat yes snapchat yi wo abonten atese wo di defending no se hwe enko so eno ema atese Abena Korkor ensuso ejinja no ma ne kokofo a wo WhatsApp chat a wo de eba abonten atese na eno ejina wana se clarify se eyampa eye Nkonkonsa ene ne have that chat no na no na se ene akoye eda womo celebrity womo anniversary what take this as an opportunity a chopper to edwa na biom so woma Ghana for whom say this time around no eye ne yire empaibo pandi wo hia eye ebi na woko eye Nkonkonsa ni IG page ni poster ni first poster na pay what they eto wana say or they eye ne yire Victoria Lebene picture ana ato honum na caption a what they aso eye asenebusia for mama mekwan na menkenkan emfa emamo o say so many things are said after our marriage, and I am ashamed and disappointed in myself for everything that has happened in the past few days. I am strong in the midst of all this because of only one person in my life, my powerful wife, Victoria Lebene, now Mrs. Osafo Nkonsa. I was single and was finding real love. I never knew I would find a permanent place in the heart of one woman, but guess what? I chose to marry the forever beautiful Victoria Lebene. Some said I married a slave queen. Some said I like big ass, so it will never work. And some said I was too broke to marry her. But she came in and changed everything that was said. I stand here today to celebrate this virtuous woman for changing me and every perception surrounding me. What a time to celebrate a wedding anniversary. I'm facing the biggest public shame ever in my life. But in the midst of the shame, the public ridicule, the insults, the trolls, and the judgment, there is only one woman who has found the courage to stand by me and doing everything as a wife. Today, I proudly celebrate you, Mrs. Nkonsa. If this is not an angel, then I don't know who she is. If this is not every man's dream, then I don't know what men want. I celebrate you as a symbol of hope that there are still some good, beautiful, hardworking, faithful young women out there. Please remember my wife in prayers because she needs it now more than ever. Happy anniversary, Victoria. I love you and I will always ask Victoria Lebene. From Eugene Osafo Nkonsa to my wife, Mrs. Victoria Osafo Nkonsa. Na ebusiafo said ye Nkonkonsa ede eye nensam no atu edwa no to so wono ye nensam no no amaga na fo nyina eje atum sesese no waje atum se de ekoso ni nyina no eye enumguase ana se ya ade a waye nemom eye ade a etwamu pass bema de usisu ana se nipa de usisu nko ade a obewo eye wo pass ne nyoma a obeye in that youthful age no mu na ye den ya wunyina ne ebe hantunti eno abi na wo fam na nso ni nyina mu no wanya oba kokodufu a chese wono susu no wonim de na chese waje saa enyoma etwa ne wanhye nyina ye den atumu ohuni se saa breyi eye ebra ne yire eye Victoria ohia empaibo pa eye because they welcome no ano eden nyo ba bia na befa no trasa because wukunu na ye kan ho asem e wa abontin wukunu na enkofo e ka che ne se we say dia wo boa ye de ema no ne nyoma ye ka e de efa no enti this time around who ni say ne yire no e ye obi a say wo hia eye ne mpaibo e pa ekese ne enti Ghana for emfa no mpaibo na say we celebrating the anniversary yi e de now want me enjoy such an angel emfa ento hon enkonko praise eye obi am na enunti ne yire no obekoso adono ne nya de nso say wo bejai no edo de biara eda na no na dodo na e ka say enti woni we nyina na still mema ware ana se mema ware for still na no mo sanso efa mo yire no machi munim se den ya wo yire nya de se wo we de wu jai no ana se nya de se wunim se wu jai na esi won makwa ware wo side check no enti e ba ne sen na still o mo sanso ekọ empnatwe no emunti dodo na e ka se we de won si ni trase e wo aniwo mo pa se wo timi enya wo ba wajini dia na so oba wota na chi se de watro ne kama e de ato ho no na su ni nyina wanfo boni ni die amfa ama no na okokofa ma fofra ene de e de aniguase e bentwe emfa enya afutuo ema mema wo mo aware ase ye den ya waware nkwade ma wani enka eye woyire ehun se ne ebe ya obu no ebekoso akoso ewo aware nu emu na ebusuafo wutie ensem ya wo so afutuo be na wafa e de afim na ensem be so and I also beka e de acha awarefo a wo mo efa wo mo eyire ene wo mo kununum echi fa betu eden e o tuma gh comment section na ebiem so like videos na share e all the social media platform so media ene equia sikapa dasene yebesan edi ehia ebimaka